Hi guys, my name is Geier of Mint & Rare and co-founder of Wetzlar Camera Auctions. Welcome to this new video. Today we're doing a small unboxing of a rather rare camera in my opinion. It's the Leica M Monochrom stealth version of a limited edition of fashion brand owner and designer of Rag & Bone, Marcus Wainwright. Let's have a look in that box and see what it contains and maybe find out why you should have that camera. So let's start. As usual, it's packed in that silver, beautiful edition box. Inside is the black box. We'll just put the big one aside here for a moment. It contains the accessories and paperwork like new in the box, cables, charger, warranty cards, all papers, so it's complete in its maker's box. And on top of that is that small presentation box where the camera and lens fits nicely inside. What you can see here is a very crisp Leica Monochrom M240. If you're looking for a monochrome black and white camera and you don't have one, maybe this is the camera to go. It's also perfect if you're shooting in the dark. The camera has special features on its top plate with those luminous engravings for the automatic, for the flash, for single exposure and the off switch, as well as on the lens where you can see the most important scales in those special design. The lens included is a Monochrom 35mm f2 spherical in the same finish but quite a bit different to the regular production line, also in the style of the knurling on the lens, and also here shutter button and the off and on switch. As I said, this is limited to 125 pieces, rarely available, and if you would like to own one or if you should have any questions regarding this specific set, please feel free to reach out. Please don't forget to always like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.